Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's my boo, a pink look with a splash of glitter. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to do a makeup collab with me where we can pick each other's looks or recreate each other's looks or anything of that nature, you can leave it in the comments or you can message me directly. As always, thank you for your love and support. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and please keep on watching and share with a friend. Alright, so here's my Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. I already primed my lids. I'm going to take the shade Wild Child, and I'm going to take my Luxie brush, pack that onto my outer V, and then I'm going to blend it into my crease. And I kind of want that winged out shape. That's another reason why I love using this tape, because I can really get a nice line there. And I'm just going to build up that color. This color does look really vibrant in the palette, but it's really not that vibrant when you put it on. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline The City Mini palette, that blue shade, and this is Concrete Runway. I'm going to take a smaller crease brush by Morphe, and I'm going to pack it to my outer V, wing that out, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. And I'm just going to make sure I go past that tape because I really want that nice sharp wing shape. I love that effect and I think it looks good with my eye shape. Then I'm going back into Wild Child and I'm just going to blend out those edges. Next I'm going to use that shade there and use a flat brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. And yes, I did apply some primer there. Next I'm going to go into my Through My Eyes ColourPop iluvsara palette. I'm going to take this shade Lomo and I'm going to blend that into my transition area because the pink in the Pure Cosmetics palette wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be. Then I'm going to go back into all those colors that I used previously. Next I'm going to take that shade there, Gypsy, and I'm going to use that for my wing liner today, using an angled eyeliner brush, and the rest you guys can see. I did want to say I used the white eyeliner first and then put that purple so it could be really vibrant, because when I use the purple alone, it's not, you can't really see it that well, if it makes sense. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's a completed look. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much for watching. My next look will be either my fall makeup collab or another look that I did today. But love you guys so much. Stay tuned and stay safe out there. Bye.